Hey everybody, Alex Brackey here with the Valor Group. Coming to you today after I had a conversation with a colleague earlier this afternoon and was talking about our Homes for Cops program. And this is something that we've had around for many years. Actually was the very first program I started when I came out of law enforcement and into real estate. And it was a program that they weren't familiar with, and they thought it was pretty novel. And they actually do business in a different state. But we were talking about this, and I said, look, the problem that I had when I was in law enforcement, and this is before I was in real estate, was when I went and bought a house. I knew, unfortunately, that when I bought that house, my name and home address were going to be tied together in land records, searchable by anybody who wanted to find out where my wife and kids slept while I was at work. And that was just, for most cops, it's just a necessary evil, unfortunately, when it comes time to buy a house. Now, I had come up with a solution at the time, again, just trying to do some research and, I guess be my own guide about how to solve that problem. And I was pretty sure I had come up with a solution. I took the solution at the time to my real estate agent. Again, this is before I was licensed. Took it to my real estate agent at the time. She looked at me like I had six heads. And I took it to my lender. I took it to my title company. And again, they all looked at me like they had no idea what I was trying to do. Because the truth is that I believe we are still the only team now in the entire United States that has this program where we help an individual that has the need, right? Police officer, FBI, DEA, three-letter agency, special forces in the military, defense attorney, prosecutor, you name it. If you're coming into contact with folks in your regular course of business that you maybe wouldn't want to invite over for your housewarming party, this could be a solution to help you buy a home with some level of anonymity. Because again, there are some folks, firsthand knowledge with this, there are some folks that have that concern, that know that somebody may try to get at them as retribution or just because, the world is crazy these days. But it may be hard to get to me, right, the former police officer, much easier to get to my wife and my kids. And so that was always a fear that I had as a police officer. I know it's a very common issue that folks in those industries face, and any of them believe it's just a necessary evil when in fact, there is a solution. And again, it's not very common. There are very, very few folks that know how to go about effectively making that happen to give you the anonymity you deserve. We luckily have a program where we'll do it for you for free. It's just our way of saying thanks for doing what you do, and selfishly staying connected to the fields that we so love and hold dear. So guys, if you have that concern, please reach out to us at the Valor Group. We are well equipped with that, very familiar. Only team in the United States that offers a solution to it, and we'd love to offer it to you and your family. Thanks so much.